Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout for Mercy Tiara kits, and I am using the new Smile kit. Ooh, speaking of that, perfect time to bring this in. The new Smile kit for September 2024, and it is full of goodness from both Chamel and Paige Evans collections. I am just, they could not have designed a kit I would enjoy more. Like straight up smitten. So I happen to have the pattern paper kit. So I took one of this paper, it's paper number 23 from Paige Evans Adventurous, and fussy cut this piece. And I wanted to put it right on top of this piece. How fun is that going to be? So that you'll see the shadow of the florals from underneath. So that's going to be fun. I'm going to use this photo right here. I grabbed a piece of scrap cardstock and matted it because I didn't have a white frame around it. That's a photo of my oldest daughter and myself, and we were recently at a vineyard in northern Michigan. And it's my favorite vineyard in northern Michigan, and we took a walk, and such a lovely day. So we have that. Let's see, should I do it? I'm trying to see how I'm gonna want the photo, but yeah, so my daughter is much taller than me, so she did a fabulous, oh, that's kind of cute like that too, because the horizon line is correct. Kind of like it like that. I do what I want to do. I am gonna pop this fully up, but what I was thinking before I fully decided how this was going to go, I was going to see if there is some kind of paper that I would want to mat this on. Now I do want to use that smile word. So I was like, do I want to bring in for matting, like this cardstock makes these blue pieces pop out. And I'm wondering if that is my ticket to really have the smile word like pop, or do we use this one? This one is called Marine Blue. If I used this, oh, yep. It just won. It, of course, brings those tones out of this, but this is like exploding. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and trim this a little bit. I'm thinking like 11.5 by 11.5. I will mount it on this. I'm also going to go ahead and mat my photo with that cardstock, pop this up for you, and then hold the phone, guys, because you're like, oh, you'll put 1,000 florals on. And I'm like, well, yes, but actually I want to fussy cut out a bunch of these butterflies and have them fly all the way along. So that's going to take me like 3 years. I'm probably going to cut like 5 to 7. Relax. It's not going to be that bad. And then we're going to start layering all kinds of florals. All right. So I had myself a little fussy cutting adventure. I have popped my photo down and my title. All of these things are in place. So I have my base down. Now I did cut out a nice little smattering of sweet little butterflies because I wanted them to be, I guess for lack of a better way to put it, I wanted them to be the movement, and definitely want to make sure I had enough of this gorgeous like deep navy tone going. Guys, I know so often I do a diagonal, but it's just such a lovely way to do things. Now, this was already on a diagonal. So, oops, I just hit that. So that part wasn't me, but you know, I could have used something else, and I just love it so much, I went this way. So I'm going to pop butterflies on. This may be another example of a simple layout because these products are so freaking lovely. Like, it is curated just with joy in mind. This is my opinion. I haven't been told this, but there's so much joy and happiness with these gorgeous little goodies that I can't help but have myself the best time. Okay, I kind of like that. I have 3 down here with that deep blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I would like 7. So, see, I have this yellow butterfly. Maybe I can get just 1 more right there. And I'll have these for another layout. So guys, when we look at this, like, it's just gorgeous and it's practically done from doing so little. I do think, and I know that I get such a glare right there. So let's see if there's anything I want to tuck around the photo. Like I'm thinking of like a couple of pretty tabs maybe. That would be pretty. It's not going to need a whole lot. This was just, remember, smile, the best day. Ooh. I might be able to pop that on. That would be nice. Uh-oh, I have to sneeze. Oh no. You are my favorite adventure. Stop. That would be pretty. And of course I bend it all up and create a ruckus with it. So at this point, what we're doing is just seeing what little goodies will work in here. I have 1 gold metallic bit on there. So I'm definitely gonna want to come up with at least, like, let's see, I have gold there. I need a little bit more gold on this. So we'll see what we can do. I don't know yet. We'll see. I mean, it's not mandatory, but it would be nice. Okay, like, I was gonna say I could do this, but it's a tab right with the other one. So not gonna do that. Ooh. But look at this. We can do like a little geotag next to the smile. I like that. Oh, what went shooting? Let's see. This is my happy place. You guys, how great would that be? We're at a vineyard and we have that deep navy. Okay, perfect. It's gonna do that. Yeah, like that. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna keep pegging away at finding little bits and pieces. Now, I did fussy cut a bunch of florals and I have this whole ephemera pack of Paige Evans florals. So with that in mind, like, let's see. I mean, I don't really need much else. I'm not thinking of popping. No, the florals on this one are gonna be background because I love the butterflies so much. Okay, perfect. So then, let's see. I could just come in with a couple of these foam pieces though. I just said I'm not gonna use florals and I grab a floral. It's like I can't help myself. So what if I had this piece? I'm trying not to have trap space. So if I did something like this and then still had, no, see, it doesn't work for the geotag. I want it to work for the geotag and then I can put the geotag up on that. All right, well, what's done is done on that. And then just maybe a couple florals. I have an issue. Okay, I have a foamy there. I can get a foamy piece onto this one. And then, do I need any other foamies? I don't need any foamies at all. I just think this stuff is just so gorgeous. Oh, and I can do this foamy heart. And I have that, this piece, and I think up in this kind of little cluster that we've built right here. Okay, I want to get all these pieces down so anything else I add won't shift. I think that's a good plan. Hey guys, look at how fun it is with all of my sweet butterflies up on top of this popped up floral piece. Super fun, super simple, but I am loving it, here for it. I definitely want to bring in some of my confetti mix and have that little sparkly goodness come across. I have to decide though, I might do a bunch of the navy to, you know, pop out the navy even more. So I'm thinking towards that kind of thing. But right now I'm like, is there any of, oh guys, I didn't pop up this geotag, but I don't even know if I need it now. You know, I'm gonna put it right there actually. It's not where I was thinking at all, but I ended up having fun creating this fun little cluster right here and it's just working. So perfect, Done, 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 done. So let me go ahead and shift that little cute camera sticker around. Guys, do I need any of these treasures in here? I just, you know, I like the simplicity of it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a bunch of these navy little confetti pieces. Just going to come in and be a little easy peasy with it in that I'm going to do a bunch of the floral centers. Nice and easy and, you know, Captain Obvious about it, which is totally fine with me. I think that would be fun though, and I want to see how much it plays it up. So I'm going to go that route with it. And I'll come back, show you where we are. I think I'm just about done with this, which I love. I've been having a lot of fun doing these layouts that come together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 really quickly. There's something that's fresh and like, boom, it's done. And I love. So let me go ahead, pop these few little things on, and I'll meet you right back here. Alrighty, Roo. That is this layout done. The only thing I added that we didn't talk about is I ended up adding these 3 mulberry colored florals because I needed something around this foamy bit. Other than that, I used all kinds of those navy blue sequins to really play up the navy blue in the title. So that's what I have today, friends. This is all set. I had so much fun creating with you guys this month using the Smile Kit. I'll have links down below for Mercy Tiara Kit Club's website so you can get your hands on these kits, as well as the Facebook group so you guys can join in. Jump into the sketch challenge for the chance to win a 25 Canadian dollar gift certificate to the Mercy Tiara Kit Club. And guys, I will see you ever so soon with another video. I'll have a few still shots to follow. Bye for now, friends.